Hey, how's it going, you guys? Abner here from the beautiful island of Maui. How to shave. So this is basically my routine on how I shave from start to finish. I will also show you the products that I use, and everything you see here, except for one thing, you can get from Walmart or Target. I get them from Walmart. If I can't find one product, then I'll do it at Target. With an exception of the replacement razors. Looks like this. After I buy my razor from Walmart, I go to Costco and then they have the bulk order of razors. So this is what that looks like. And they usually only have one Gillette razors in there. So let's get started. So this is probably 2 to 3 days of not shaving. I will show you the whole step-by-step process of how I do this. I wish somebody would have had this back in the days to show me how to shave. This is basically from trial and error. So let me show you guys the products first that I will be using, and then we'll go on step-by-step on how I shave. First thing I use is this Gillette razor. I just get them from Walmart. In the back they give you a couple replacements for free. The shaving cream, actually I changed the shaving cream. I used to use Gillette before, and then I came across a video one time on YouTube, and it's called, I think it's called Cremo. This is the original that I like to use. This one's empty actually. It was still in there, but I actually went to Target and picked up this one. Refresher, what does it say? Refreshment mint. It does the job. The only reason I don't like this one is because it's really cold. It leaves my face really cold, but it still does the job. So I use this one right now. This is the aftershave that I use. This is the gel, aftershave Gillette gel, sensitive skin. You can get any one you want. I just got this one because I like the blue color. It works. So let's get started. So first thing what I do is I put some warm water on my face, and then after that I will add the shaving cream to get a nice little layer. So let's go ahead and do that. It's nothing fancy. I put the water in my hand and then I just put some on my face. Then I grab the shaving cream. Let me see. I usually use that much, basically. I put it in my hand like so. Lather it up like this. And then I just go ahead. Wherever my skin is, that's where I'm going to put the shaving cream. Because I waited for a couple of seconds, I didn't get a good lather, I guess it's called. If you need more, you can add more. Just so I have grips on my hands. And then what I'll do is I'll take my razor, wet the razor a little bit. Then where I start is, just because I'm right-handed, what I'll do is I'll start here on this part, then make my way over here. Then I'll go down here and then work on this side, the left side of my face. And then I'll work on this side, all on this side, and then I'll come back and go the opposite way. So let me show you. After I get it pretty full in the razor, what I'll do is I'll just rinse it off here. I don't use like a cup or anything. This is just the way I've been doing it since, I don't know, I taught myself. Turn the faucet on and rinse out the razor. After I did the coat going with the hairs, then I'll come back and go against the hairs just to clean it up. If it's your first time, I'll say go slow, really slow, because you don't want to cut yourself. As you get faster like me, I just go a little faster. Even though I've been doing this for a long time, I still cut myself. So if you're a beginner, go slow. I go a little slower when I go against the skin here, when I go against the hairs. Okay, that's pretty good for me. Then I'll work my way down here and then I'll work on this side of the face. For some reason, this left side, I always cut myself. I don't know if it's the way I hold the razor. I usually cut myself right around this area. Even if I go slow for some reason, I don't know if it's the way my skin is, but you can see this right here is from being cut over and over again. So I do go a little slower on this part. There you see, I even went really slow and I cut myself again. And then I go by my hairs. I kind of turn it angled like this and then use the razor to get this part of my hairline. And then it's basically the same thing. I go on this side and make my way up. Okay, once I've done going with the hair on both sides, then I'll come back and go against the hair one more time. Usually I have more hairs on this side of my face and this side of my face. I don't go against the hair below this area. I'm just afraid of cutting myself over here. I think my skin is sensitive, or everybody's skin is sensitive. I'm not sure. So I only go against the grain up here. After going against the hairs on this side, then I look around for any finishing touches. Now you can see this is bleeding a lot. To stop the bleeding, what I do is I just put some pressure on it for a little bit. Usually in the morning I'm in a hurry. If there is a piece of, if I'm bleeding in one spot, usually I'll get a like a toilet paper. Get a piece of toilet paper and just let it sit there. That usually stops it. Once I get to work, then I'll take it off. So let me just try and stop this bleeding really quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I think I stopped it a little bit. I just put some pressure with the towel. So at this point when I'm done shaving, what I do is try to get off the shaving cream. I don't use any water. It tends to sting when I use water after shaving. So get the shaving cream off. Then I take a little aftershave. Just a little bit. Maybe just a little dab size like this. Again, I just rub it onto my hands like this. Then I go with the hair down. And that's it. That's it. So I will put everything that I used in the video down below. Like I said, most of the stuff I get from Walmart. If Walmart doesn't have it, then I'll go to Target, except for the replacements. After I use the 2 replacements in the Gillette from Walmart in the back, they usually give you 2. What I'll do is go to Costco, because it's cheaper, to get these replacement ones here. And Costco usually only carries maybe Gillette and another brand. So just check at your Costco. It's really cheaper that way. There's probably more cheaper options, but this is just the way I do mine. Comment down below if you guys have any questions. I would say if this is your first time shaving, go really slow. You can even use more shaving cream. You know, I felt like I could have used more shaving cream to prevent the bleeding. So if you're just starting, I would suggest that use a little bit more shaving cream so you don't cut yourself, and go really slow. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. Abner signing out. Thanks.